Hello everyone, I am Kumar Siddhar Singh along with my team member Ipshita Ray from Team Hasta. We are going to present on the resourcing strategy and the HR strategy of the Tata Motor Finance Limited. As I will go further with the resourcing strategy and talking about the current organization structure. Organization culture is in the line to the overall culture driven by our Tata Group based on the geographical location. Further going with the future organizational structure after COVID-19, we have been and continue to be operating in the VUCA environment that is volatile, unstable, complex and ambitious. Two forces that played a significant role in shaping the organizational structure in the places today. Firstly, the rise of the digital technology and secondly, the free movement of the people and the ideas. I will be talking about the other changes also, adopting the more agile approaches to working teams, including organizing around the customer journeys. Sustainability will become more important, distributed leadership. Going further with the changes in the need of the company from a potential candidate after COVID-19, they will continue to hire business development manager and for collecting accounting receivable. The uncertainty and the long trigger nature of the COVID-19 crisis will likely to trigger further unanticipated workforce transformation. And the sum of the further unanticipated workforce transformation will be leadership, communication, talent with required skill, someone who can ideate and contribute, understand roadblocks and adopt, focus on quality of the candidate, product development, goal-oriented, innovative, creative, technological knowledge. Because of increase in spending on cloud technology, digitization of the client experience. Crisis management, our dedicated professional and proven crisis management service help you to anticipate, react and to avoid potential crisis. Thank you.
I'm Ipshita Sinhare from the team Hasta and I'll be taking you through the future HR strategy of TMFL in the year 2020-22. NBFCs like ILFS, DHFL have faced a major crisis, but still NBFC as a whole sector has a huge business opportunity. Along with the increase in demand of the car, Tata Motor Finance have a huge business opportunity in the near future. To take a leverage of this growing demand, TMFL has to recruit. And how to recruit? TMFL could recruit in the rural market. As we all know, rural market is the most untapped market and the fastest growing market. TMFL could recruit its grassroots level employees from the rural market. Recruitment in the new business. Second hand car business is growing at a very fast rate. It is growing faster than the passenger vehicle. Therefore, TMFL could identify this specific segment of business and start recruiting in this segment. Recruitment in technical field. To make the loan sanction process more hassle-free, TMFL could recruit more of its technical people to deliver a complete problem-free loan sanction delivery to its customers. We are currently operating in an environment of VUCA, volatile, complex, unstable, and ambiguous. Therefore, not only the recruitment, we also need to focus on significant cost cutting. One of the most important factors through which cost cutting could be done is the downsizing. Downsizing of obsolete jobs. In the era of artificial intelligence and IoT, people could easily use the technology and replace them with the jobs. Clerical jobs could be replaced. Job of customer care executive could be replaced with the chatbots. Next is, if we make the organizational structure flatter, there will be significant cost cutting. Now we will focus on the changes in hiring process that is happening due to the COVID-19. Since interviews cannot be taken face to face, there will be online interviews. And for the online interviews, you need to have a very good internet connection. A proper, well set up interview needs a proper background and a very good internet connection. What does the company want to have from an IBA student? From an IBA student, a company will expect certain benefits. the company will expect the candidate to be flexible enough so that he or she could easily adopt with the changing organizational environment. The company will also expect the candidate to gel well with the current organizational structure and to gel well with the future organizational structure if any changes happen in the organizational structure. The company wants the student to do something different that will make the student stand apart from the others. How can a student be ahead of his competitors? A student can be ahead of its competitors by doing extremely well in his academics, by preparing well in advance for his or her interview process, and working well on LinkedIn, especially professional networking through LinkedIn. What could be the challenges faced by an IBA students during the selection process of the interview? The first challenges that a student can face during the interview process is the lack of preparation. The next could be the discomfort due to the online interview. The internet connection, there could be some challenges with the internet connection also. Next is how an IBA student can crack the interview. The first thing the student needs to do a very good CV. The next is a good setup for the online process. A student should have a very good internet connection and a good background for the interview process. The student should also collect all the possible interview questions that could be asked during the interview and frame his or her own answers. The answers should be customized. The student should also practice for the interview well in advance so that he doesn't face any problem during the interview. The next process how a student could prepare well is he or she should be well prepared for the interview well in advance. That's all. Thank you so much for listening.